Today in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to assign IP address in GNS3. So we are going to take two virtual PC here, VPC, okay, and we are going to connect them, okay. So first take two, these are the two virtual PCs, and now I am going to connect them using the cable. So use this cable, okay. Now it's once it's connected, what you need to do, you need to click on this green button and make it on. So start all the devices. When you see this, these ports are green, it means the devices are on. Once the devices are on, you just click here, right click here, and then click on console. And then we need to assign IP address here. Suppose I want to assign IP address to this machine. So IP 192.168.1.1. Okay. 192.168.1.1. And then you have to type the subnet mask. This is C class IP address. So subnet mask will be 255.255.255.0. Press enter. And in this way, you can assign IP address to a machine. Now, if you want to see the IP address, just type here, show IP. And this will show you the IP address. So what you see, the IP address of this machine is 192.168.1.1. Now, similarly, go to this PC2, click on console. And this is PC2. Now, this machine IP address, suppose I want to assign IP address, IP 192.168.1.2. Subnet mask. Press enter. And in this way, you can assign IP address to this machine also. And if you want to cross check, simply type show IP. And you see the IP address of this machine is PC2 is 192.168.1.2. Now, if you want to check the communication, simply use ping and the IP address you want to ping. And just wait. And now you see here it's pinging. So the ping is going on. And you see 5 packet has been sent successfully. And it means the communication between these two PCs are going on. And the way we assign the IP address and we check the IP address, you see all the process and all this process works together. And in this way, you learn how to assign IP address and how to check the IP address on a virtual PC in GNS3. Thank you. Thank you for watching.